Hi, winter friends. Today, I will draw Bluey with a snowman standing tall in the cold white yard. While the picture slowly comes alive, I'll tell you their snowy tale. But first, please like this video and subscribe my channel so every snowflake of joy can fall right into your heart. Snow covered the ground like a soft blanket, and the morning air was crisp and chilly. Bluey bounced outside wearing her bright scarf, leaving tiny paw prints behind her. The world felt quiet, peaceful, and shining like silver. "Perfect snow for a snowman," she shouted, wagging her tail. Bluey began rolling a ball of snow across the yard. The ball grew bigger and bigger until it was as tall as her belly. She rolled another, smaller one, then a tiny ball for the head. With a big smile, she stacked them carefully. 1, 2, 3. "Now you need eyes and a nose," Bluey said, searching the garden. She found pebbles for the eyes, a carrot for the nose, and 2 sticks for arms. Finally, she wrapped her own old scarf around the snowman's neck. "Hello, Mr. Snowy," Bluey said proudly, stepping back to admire her creation. But then something magical happened. A soft sparkle glowed from the snowman's eyes. His arms wiggled, his head tilted, and suddenly, he blinked. Bluey gasped. "You can move." The snowman nodded slowly, his carrot nose wiggling. "Thank you, Bluey," he said in a gentle voice. "I've been waiting for a friend to bring me to life." Bluey clapped her paws together with joy. "Then let's play." They began to dance around the yard, their feet crunching into the snow. The snowman twirled with surprising grace, and Bluey leapt and spun, her scarf fluttering like a ribbon. The cold air carried their laughter high into the sky. "Spin faster, Bluey," the snowman cheered. "Catch me if you can." Bluey giggled, darting between snowy mounds. The two played tag, rolling in the snow, and even built a smaller snow puppy together, decorating it with sticks and berries. The snowman's deep laugh echoed warmly, and Bluey's giggles sparkled like bells. After a while, they sat together, watching the sun sink low behind the icy trees. The sky turned pink, purple, and golden. Bluey leaned against the snowman's cool arm, feeling calm and cozy even in the cold. "You know," the snowman whispered, "snow doesn't last forever, but the joy we share will stay inside your heart." Bluey's ears drooped slightly. "Will you melt away?" The snowman nodded gently. "One day, yes. But every winter, when the snow falls, you'll remember me. And maybe, if you build me again, I'll return to dance with you." Bluey smiled through the thought of goodbye. "Then I'll always build you, every winter." The snowman's pebble eyes twinkled kindly. "That's all I could ask for." As the night settled in, Bluey stood up, hugging the snowman tightly. The stars above sparkled like tiny snowflakes frozen in the sky. "Good night, Mr. Snowy," she whispered. "Thank you for the best day." The snowman stayed silent, but the warmth of their friendship lingered in the frosty air. Close your eyes, let winter glow. Dream of snowmen you may know. Dance and play, then softly rest. Bluey's heart holds joy the best.